Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. In here I want to tell you about identifying the article. My name is Intan Permanasari. Table of contents. First, introduction. Second, literature review. Third, research methods. Four, result and discussion. Five, conclusion. The title of IM analysis journal, and the journal, the title is Interactive Multimedia Needs Analysis based on PowerPoint Algebra Material in Junior High School Mathematics Learning, who made by Nur Apipatus Sakiyah, Kiki Nia Sania Effendi, Mathematics Education Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Singapura Bangsa University. Introduction. Burning issues. Students have difficult understanding the material and what is delivered during online learning, especially in mathematics. Research problem. Many things are the cause of the low learning outcomes of students' mathematics, one of which is the learning media used by teachers. Relevant literature. A multimedia can be called interactive multimedia if students can interact with it. Anu Meisa and Ernaningsih. The aim of the research. The purpose of this article is to analyze the need for learning media that can support face-to-face learning and distance learning with interactive multimedia based on PowerPoint on algebraic material in junior high school mathematics learning. Literature review. A multimedia can be called interactive multimedia if students can interact with it. Anu Meisa and Ernaningsih. This research is descriptive qualitative study which refers to the Miles and Huberman model. The results of this study are: first, there is a need for learning media. Second, algebraic material is one of the materials that is still difficult for students to understand because of its abstract nature. Third, students need interactive multimedia that is interesting and innovative in learning mathematics. Fourth, PowerPoint-based interactive multimedia can be the right solution to be used as a medium for learning mathematics for grade 7 algebra material during face-to-face learning and distance learning. Research method. Research method. This research is qualitative research using descriptive qualitative method. Descriptive qualitative research is research that aims to describe phenomena that occur in research subjects in depth. Nur and Hermansyah. Descriptive research is intended to obtain description and information regarding learning media, students' characteristics, methods, strategies, and mathematical material being studied. Data collection. The time of the research was carried out in December 2020. The place of this research was carried out in one of the state's junior high school in Bekasi Regency. Samples were obtained by purposive sampling technique. Moleong, Nungraini, Effendi, and Surtina states that in qualitative research there is no random samples, but a purposive sampling to explore information that forms the basics of the design and emerging theories. According to Lestari and Yudanagara, 2017, purposive sampling is a sampling technique with certain considerations. The research subject were 13 students of class 7 at the school. Because we are currently in the COVID-19 pandemic, so it is not possible for researchers to have face-to-face contact with students. So researchers make observation sheets, use Google Form, and give them to students online with WhatsApp. Data analysis. This study used data analysis techniques that refer to the Miles and Huberman model. Miles and Huberman Sugiono suggests that activities in qualitative data analysis are carried out interactively and take place continuously until complete, so that the data is annotated. Respondent observation and interviews were conducted with teachers and students to obtain data or information regarding the characteristics of student methods, learning media strategies, and mathematics material that are still difficult for students to understand. The data source. Data collection techniques used by research in this study were direct survey techniques, interviews, and observation. The data generated is in the form of a description in the form of narrative text, namely an outline description of the data that has been collected. The focus of this research is to describe the need for interactive multimedia based on PowerPoint in junior high school mathematics learning. Result and discussion. The result and discussion in this study are the extent to which researchers want to know and analyze the needs of interactive multimedia in learning mathematics in a school in Bekasi Regency. At the observation stage, the school that was used as the place of research was one of the leading schools in Bekasi Regency. The school has facilities that support the use and development of learning media, such as the availability of computer laboratories, projectors, and other facilities. However, these facilities are not used properly for the learning process. Based on Figure 2, the research analysis the interactive multimedia needs observation sheet given to 13 students as respondents. The results showed that 76.9% of students only use book in learning. 15.4% of students use PowerPoint, and the remaining 7% of students using modules in learning. Books are still the main source of learning. However, for online learning, using books alone is less effective. Learning in teacher classes relies more on textbooks, often teaching materials that are centered on textbooks, make students feel bored or monotonous in learning. Likewise, with modules, the modules is an independent learning package that includes a series of learning experiences that are planned and systematically designed to help students achieve learning goals. Study Ismail in Ghani 2017. Modules among students are mostly printed modules which tend to be informative, have simple illustrations, and only contain practice question. Puspitasari 2019. Puspitasari 2019 also said that even though some students have not been able to learn independently by using the print model, it is difficult to develop their knowledge. In addition to books and modules, 15.47% of students use PowerPoint in learning. However, the PowerPoint given to students only contain writing. The teacher has not used PowerPoint to its full potential. According to Damayanti and Kohar 2019, PowerPoint can help teachers present material that can include image, sounds, and even create animation. Only online learning demands the creativity and skill of teacher, including the selection of technology-based learning media to be used. The learning process that takes place is only one-way learning, making students passive during learning. Students feel bored. This will have an impact on student learning outcomes. Students need a learning media that can attract students' interest to use it in learning. Based on figure 3, students say that students are more happy with learning media that contains more than one media such as writing, sound, image, animation, video, or others in one display. A variety of views will be more interesting to look at. Respondents are students of class 7 junior high school who are in the age range of 11 to 12 years, according to Piaget Astuti 2017. Age 6 to 11 or 6 to 12 years are in the stage of cognitive development of concentrate operation, where children still cannot think abstractly. Learning media is needed to support the cognitive development process of children and the early age of junior high school. Suseno Ismail and Ismail 2020. In figure 4, it can be seen that all students who were respondents in this study agreed to use interactive multimedia in mathematics. Technology-based interactive multimedia is the right learning media to use. Students need something new in learning, not just using textbooks. With interactive multimedia, students can interact directly with learning media. based on the results of direct interview conducted by research with mathematics teacher at one school in Bekasi Regency. They said that there were still many obstacles experienced by teachers in distance learning or online learning in mathematics subjects, such as the low response of students during face-to-face learning. The response of students in learning mathematics are very diverse, although it is dominated by the indifferent student. But in one class there are always several students who actively respond to learning. However, during a pandemic like today, the response of students in one online learning is much lower than face-to-face learning. This makes it difficult for teachers to convey mathematical material to be understood by students. Conclusion. Based on the analysis of the research result, several conclusions can be drawn as follows. First, the need for learning media. 2. Algebra material is one of the materials that is still difficult for students to understand because of its abstract nature. Third, students need interactive multimedia that is interesting and innovative in learning mathematics. 4. Interactive multimedia based on PowerPoint can be the right solution to be used as medium for learning mathematics for class 7 algebra during face-to-face learning and distance learning. So that research can conclude in this study that PowerPoint-based interactive multimedia is needed on algebraic material to make it easier for teachers and students in mathematics learning activities for class 7 junior high school.